Okay, a very good day for you. And today we start a new type of video series to you. And actually, this is type of website reviewing. So, as a first video, we are going to talk with you about the DJI agriculture. So, Agripedia YouTube channel is going to bring you one of new technology, new information, new services, new product related to agriculture. So this is a new series of videos is going to talk with you about different services, different product, and the different technology available in the world. So the DJ Agriculture is the first websites we are going to search what is that websites and what are the products available with them. So the DJ Agriculture you can access to www.ag.dgi.com is the address you have to follow. And this DJI agriculture is actually they are focusing on the drone technology agriculture for drones. First we will go to the about us segments and we will check uh, what is the website mentioned about themselves, right? This is the DJI agriculture profiles. In 2012 the DJI was determined to extend its cutting edge drone technology to agriculture industry. Actually they have started in 2012. Thus in 2015 DJI agriculture was born. They have grown in 2015. DJI agriculture is committed to provide an intelligent solution through drone technology, facilitating agricultural innovations development on the global scale. So that means they are not focusing on the local or regions. They are promoting intelligence and drone technology service global scales. At the present, DJI has successfully released wide array of crop protection drone, including MG1, MG1S, MG1P, and T16 as well as 4P multispectral. So phantoms for RTK. These are the different types of products they are mentioning available with them and how they are. These are the few pictures available with them. Their websites. These are the main philosophy they mention about DJI agriculture, the continuous innovations, fashion for farming, environmental friendly solutions, building sustainable ecosystems. This is the history, and also they have mentioned a lot of activities what did they did in the history. So then we can log into their product line, so check what are the product available with them. So these are the main category of the drones available with the DJI agriculture. Is crop protection drones is available. So there are few type of mentioned efficient and autonomous operations. Agras T20P, Agras T40, Agras T30, Agras T10, like that, and the smart farm drones. So that means they are used for the tracking and data collections and videography and photo, like that. Smart farm options and the mission planning and the DJI delivery, the drone which is used for delivery products. So, and then we go for the newsroom and we will see what are the available news they mention. So there are a lot of news. New DJI agriculture drone insight report reveal greater acceptance, advanced farming techniques, and explorations of break practices for the farmer. And the next is a brand new news is the Agras 30 branches targeting technology and orchid sprains. The numbers of news available at the newsroom. So you can see different type of their success stories and news segments available with their websites ag.dgi.com websites, and then you go to the insight. So that insight is mentioned about success studies and case studies, so how they can implement their drone technology for different part of the world and different type of the crops. unlocking sugar cultivation potentials, how agriculture drone empower the South African smallholder farmers. So success stories available in the different part of the world. And the DGI Academy. So they have academy actually for US pilot training programs actually for the drone academy. So they are given different courses for those who are interested to drive the drones. They are given pilot programs or training programs, and the support services, after sales service profiles, and the find the delivery dealers nearby, fly safe and download center and service centers. So this is about the DGI agriculture. So this the company is mainly focusing on drone technology. So this is our first review of the website of the agricultural company. So I think you got some points about the drone technology company. So DJI Agriculture is first video program we bring. We are the review about websites related to the agricultural company. So with that, we conclude our review programs for today for the Agripedia YouTube channels. So we will hope to bring a new agricultural company as soon as possible. So please subscribe, like us, comment us. So we are here to bring newest technology information and services product related to agriculture for you to help to produce more product and develop your farmlands and help to productivity, help to increase your efficiency of your agricultural land. So with that we conclude our today's video. Thank you very much.